Hi everyone, good morning. Here we are on day 7, going to the Tiger Monastery with Bala, Arindam, Shilpesh and Basu.
Guys, we are in Paro, beautiful town, and we are on the way to Takshang Monastery, 3,100 meters. 100 meters.
It's a trek of how many hours?
It's gonna be 2 hours trek.
Okay.
So this is our breakfast for the morning.
Oh yeah,
Biscuit and the tea.
good day biscuit and tea.
Okay. Awesome guys. Cheers.
And that's the place we are going to. You can see the monastery right at the top. Finally at the beautiful Tiger's Monastery. Tiger's Nest Monastery.
Yep.
In Bhutanese it's called as Taksang Monastery.
Tak means tiger.
Tak means
Sang
tiger.
means
Sang
nest.
means nest. All three are here. 2 persons from group are missing. They are somewhere else. Chana and Vasu. Hello!
Okay, Vasu.